Starting around the 28th of May 2023, Truly Spell Extremely token in every practical sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.1% in every practical sense. Most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Spell in every practical sense has a kind of complete market cap of $61,865,678 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,504,098 in a very significant manner. This sort of makes for the most part Spell in every way that really matters. Token exceptionally positioning at 340 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Spell kind of symbolic cost expectation end of 2023. What will Spell commonly token explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? Is Truly Spell fundamentally token a kind of wise venture or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Will Spell cost basically outperform its untouched high in an unobtrusive manner? Is Truly Spell pretty symbolic cost expectations for Spell's future? So in the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Spell commonly token cost expectation end of 2023, what will generally Spell essentially token in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they all things considered, thought? Spell in every practical sense. Token value expectation 2023 as per the Spell sort of token conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Spell cost by and large is supposed to explicitly cross an essentially normal value level of $0. The normal for the most part least value worth of by and large Spell genuinely token toward the finish of the for the most part current year ought to for the most part be $0, or so they fundamentally thought. Besides, essentially Spell can by and large arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $0. Spell genuinely token value gauge May 2023. In May 2023 the cost of generally Spell Truly token generally is supposed to truly be at around at least $0. Spell really token cost can arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0, the by and large normal cost of $0 USD in a very enormous way. Spell fundamentally token value expectation June 2023. The cost for most certainly Spell Truly token in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0 in especially enormous manner. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0 in exceptionally huge manner. Spell commonly token value conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the especially most extreme cost for Spell commonly token could truly stretch around $0. Moreover, the minimum cost of Spell in July 2023 sort of is $0 and especially normal cost of $0, which is very critical. Spell especially token value estimate August 2023. The really normal cost of basically Spell commonly token could for the most part go to $0 the finish of August 2023. So explicitly Spell genuinely token value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the greatest cost for certainly Spell kind of token could sort of stretch around $0 a by and large enormous manner. Spell could in every practical sense be exchanging around in every way that really matters. Most extreme worth of $0, the exceptionally least expected cost of $0 in unpretentious manner. Spell most certainly token value estimate September 2023. The by and large normal cost of in a real sense Spell really token could especially go to $0 the finish of September 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell could generally be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $0, the by and large least expected cost of $0 in unpretentious manner. Spell in every way that really matters. Token value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, for the most part Spell pretty symbolic cost by and large is gauged to explicitly arrive at an especially the least cost of $0, which basically is very huge. The Spell cost could essentially arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $0, the truly normal expected cost around $0 a genuinely large manner. Spell in every practical sense. Token value expectation November 2023. The cost for most certainly Spell fundamentally token in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0 a very enormous manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters be around $0 a fundamentally significant way. Spell value estimate December 2023. With respect to December 2023, explicitly Spell commonly token especially is supposed to sort of arrive at a very least value worth of $0 in unpretentious manner. The Spell cost could truly arrive at a most extreme cost of $0, the typical cost around $0. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell certainly token in every way that really matters. Past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been all things considered, diminished by 0.83% in its ongoing worth. In the event that we explicitly look at the essentially current market cap of the spell with yesterday, you can explicitly see that the market cap is likewise down. So the spell cost could fundamentally arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0, the genuinely normal expected cost around $0, or so they certainly thought. Spell all things considered, token basically is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in a significant manner. The spell is down to nearly 1.1% in the for the most part most recent 7 days in a sort of significant manner. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for past especially couple of days. The coin could really serious areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't for the most part believe that it would a beneficial resource and by and large momentary in a genuinely significant manner. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of in every way that really matters, spell commonly diminished by 27.401%, disposing of an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0 its genuinely current worth. Genuinely further appearance how the spell in a real sense is down to nearly 1.1% in the very most recent 7 days in an extremely enormous manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be an especially decent by and large purchase, a potential open door for exceptionally fast venture, or so they certainly thought. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 21.85%, and the cost explicitly circled from a sort of least in every way that really matters. Normal cost of $0 truly most extreme essentially normal cost of $0 the truly beyond 90 days, which certainly is genuinely critical. In truly most recent 4 months spell sort of token really has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Hence, we generally feel that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, which sort of is genuinely critical, as per the sort of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of sort of spell certainly token sort of is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how is for the most part spell really token a sort of wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, which really is very huge. The coin especially is up by 4.91% with the greatest truly normal cost of the coin was around $0 the in every practical sense. Least genuinely normal cost of generally was around $0 kind of beyond 4 months, showing how accordingly, we especially imagine that comparative pieces of the market really were very famous at that period, or so they thought. Spell certainly token value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will all things considered be essentially spell especially token pretty worth in 2023 and in every way that really matters, huge way. The spell cost in a real sense is guage to really arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0 exceptionally least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Does explicitly spell in every practical sense. Token especially have a future in a significant manner. Regarding cost, most certainly spell essentially token especially has an exceptional fundamentally potential to arrive at new levels in a genuinely significant manner in a real sense. It generally is figure that spell will increment in esteem, which in every practical sense demonstrates the way that the spell cost could really arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0, the truly normal expected cost around $0 a significant manner. As per quite certain spell